Do you start seeding when your neighbor does or when you think it's right?
When my wife tells me to.
When it's right. Quit looking over the fence.
5 days after Johnny.
When you think it's right.
Patience is key.
Okay.
When the ground's ready, you go.
Bit of both.
We like to think we start when we think it's right. Sometimes it's when the neighbor starts, but
We are usually one of the first ones out.
When the ground temperature is right.
We start as soon as we can.
The ground's not ready. You only have one chance to get the seed in the ground.
When the conditions are not quite right yet.
When we think it's right.
I'm always the first one out.
When I think it's right.
We're the neighbor that everyone watches.
Usually when I think it's right.
Usually our neighbors get going, they're usually ready a long time before me.
I start seeding when I think it's right.
I'm the first one out there.
Probably when the field's right. Starting when the first guy starts can be kind of stressful sometimes.
When we think it's right.
I start when I start.
When you think it's right, but you're pressured into by the neighbors.
Well, probably before it's right, and then 30% when it's right and 30% too late.
I start seeding first.
When it's right.
Yeah, when it's right.
Neighbors start seeding when we start.
It feels right.
Bit of both.
Yes. Usually we're try to be second.
The talking does start when the neighbor starts, that's for sure.
When I think it's right.
We say we're not going to follow the neighbor, but we do follow the neighbor. As soon as anybody pulls out to the field, we're getting there.
I would love to say I have the agency to farm when I think it's right, but it's a combination.
When I think it's right.
When we think it's right.
You start seeding when the soil conditions are right.